आर्यन, प्रणय, वंशिका, आर्यन, प्रणय, वंशिका, विद्या, जगनी, लहारी, विद्या, जगनी, लहारी,
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Uniform, Manas, touch. Now, why are you not in school uniform, children?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning. Haransh, Parlin, Chirag. Haransh, Parlin, Chirag. Ishta, Nehal, Anish.
Ma'am, Nehal is saying that please allow her to enter.
I am allowing everybody, beta. I have to just mark the attendance and I keep on entering, make it actually enter. Ashvi, Nehal. Nehal is allowed earlier only. Nehal, Ashvi, Ishta. I can see 22 children right now.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I want to ask that we have registers for maths and SST, but in the book set we have got only notebooks.
That I have informed principal ma'am. I'll just check what will she answer. I have informed her. Okay. I have informed her.
Excuse me, ma'am, and I also want to ask this कि ma'am अभी हम लोग इस जो मैंने जैसे rule sheets में किए तो अभी हम rule sheets में ही करें कि we start doing in the notebook.
We hardly left I think we are left 2-3 classes
Okay.
before vacations. Afterwards you can change. Okay.
Okay. Ma'am, when we about vacations, like when will it start and end? Any idea?
No, beta, no, not at all, no idea. As soon as I'll come to know, I'll inform the people also. Right
Yes,
now,
ma'am.
I'm just calling the
Ma'am, when we will get the loose book set?
No idea. I've informed principal ma'am. I haven't got the message. I'll ask again today. Okay. Let me just call out the students who are not here. Arna, Abir, Basim, Deepika, Kashvi is here. Kashvi is here. Nehal has joined?
Yes, ma'am.
Nikunj has not joined. Nikunj normally joins late. Akshat is again asking. Shivam. So we don't have Shubh with us right now. Sifat, Soham, Tavleen, Vansh Dhamija, Riya Sharma, Raisa, Nikunj also, Nikunj. And Deepika, Basim, Abir, Arna. These children are not there with me. See, children, we are about to finish this chapter today. Most probably we'll be finishing this chapter today. And after doing this chapter, today I am planning to give you a small test in the next class. Test from this chapter, okay? I'll take test from this chapter.
Okay,
Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division on fractions as well as decimals, okay? Now let me just, please mute yourself, children. Please mute yourself. I am just, can I start my class? I can see 25 children. Only 25
And
children.
we have only one class left after this one, right?
Maybe two or two.
One or two class.
Maybe one or two, depending on
Ma'am, because 31st is Sunday.
Saturday is there, na? Saturday is also there. Today is Wednesday. We may have on Friday. Friday. Only one class is left. So we can plan for a test then. On that day, we can plan for a test.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we'll plan the test. On
From
Google
this
Form.
chapter, na?
This chapter only. You'll be able to revise this way, beta. Huh? Simple
Yes,
multiplication, division, addition, subtraction on decimals and fractions. The questions will not be very difficult, but you will need paper and pen. Keep paper and pen ready with you because you have to solve those questions. Those questions can't be marked without solving. Okay? Please put your videos on. Again and again, I have been telling you in the class groups also. Every teacher is telling you. I want to see you people writing because you're not wearing school uniform. You're not putting it on. Akshat is not in uniform. Chirag is not in uniform. Ronit is not in uniform. Aryan, Kashvi.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, in my area, ma'am, there is a lot of network issue. So that is why
Yes,
I
ma'am,
cannot
same here.
on my... Ma'am, because last
Same
day
here.
it was power cut in some areas. So that is why there is a problem in network, Wi-Fi also.
Only
And
those who
these
have
days,
network issues,
all
they
are
can keep
using
it off. Otherwise, we'll keep it on. Can I start the class? We are left with only 3 questions of exercise
Okay.
2.5. Rishank
Yes,
is
ma'am.
also coming. Rishank. Children will keep on coming this way. Rishank. Okay, Rishank is coming. 28 children I can see now. So again, I'm repeating. Tavleen has not yet joined. Tavleen has not joined. Soham has not joined. Only Tavleen and Soham. Then Shubh has not joined. Safira has not joined. Riya Sharma has not joined. Raisa not joined. Nikunj not joined. Deepika, Basim, Abir ने तो एक भी क्लास नहीं किया. Arna. Now I'm starting with the class. I have written the questions before I started, before the class. Can you all see this video? Can you all see this panel?
Yes.
Yes,
Ma'am.
Yes. See, today in today's class, my student will be able to do operations on decimals. Let's see. I'm reading out the question for you. And most of you must be having books also right now. Somebody can read for me. You can see from the screen even if you don't have book. Manas, read the question.
Ma'am, can I read, Kashvi?
Manas को बोल दिया मैंने कोई. Manas.
And which exercise we doing right now? We are doing right
2.5.
now.
Last 3 questions are left. 2.5.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Manas, read
Dinesh
the
went from
question.
place. Yes, ma'am. Dinesh went from place A to place B and from there to place C point A. C. A is 7.5 kilometer from B and B is 12.7 kilometer from C. Ayub went from place A to place D and from where to place C. B is 9.3 kilometer from A and C is 11.8 kilometer from D. Who traveled more and by how much?
Have you understood the question? I have written the question on the screen. I have drawn the figure on the screen. You can see. I am just repeating. Dinesh started from here. Can you see a cursor where I am putting on A? Children, can you see this?
Yes,
cursor?
ma'am.
Yes. Dinesh
Yes,
started.
ma'am.
Okay, Dinesh started from A, moved to B, then moved to C. And Ayub started from A. He moved from A, he moved to D, then he moved to C. Both of them are going to C, but they are chosen the different ways. Manthan, bolo.
Ma'am, I want to say that my screen is coming blur. What you are saying, ma'am. Ma'am, I can't read something.
Your screen is blurred maybe because of network issue, beta. Kashvi, are you able to see?
Yes, ma'am, I am able to see the screen.
A to B and from B to C and from C to D.
Yes. Now, child, your screen is blurred because of network issue. Otherwise, from my side, it is perfectly fine, very clear. Listen to me carefully then. Listen to me, write down whatever I am saying. Now, let's start with Dinesh. Let me write Dinesh. Dinesh, how much Dinesh moved and how did he travel? That is very important. Dinesh moved from like this.
A to B.
A to B, then from
B to C.
B to C. Please put your audios off, children. Why I need to tell you again and again. Now, distance from A to B is given as 7.5. Total distance we have to find out. Total distance covered by Dinesh. A is 7.5 kilometer from B. So we have to add 7.5 and 12.7. Just keep in mind, decimal will come below decimal. This is very important. Decimal will come below decimal. This is very important. Yes. Now add them up.
Ma'am, may I tell the answer?
Wait, beta. Somebody is asking something.
Ma'am, I want to say that in the last class there was a power cut in my area, so I can't attend the class. So, ma'am, please tell this is the exercise 2.5 only or 2.6 or 7?
2.5. We could not complete 2.5. Yashna, what is the answer you got?
Okay, ma'am, thank you.
20.2.
20.2. The answer is coming out 20.2. Yes, kilometers. This is the distance traveled by Dinesh. Now let's see how much distance is traveled by Ayub. How much distance is traveled by Ayub? He traveled from A to D, then from D to C. So total distance, please put your audios off. Yashna, put your audio off, beta. Covered by Ayub. Total distance covered by Ayub. Total distance covered by Ayub. Calculate, children. Calculate, children. Total distance covered by Ayub. Total distance covered by Ayub is, add them up. Add the two distances. Distance between D and A is 9.3.
20.
9.3. We have to add that with 11.8. We have to add that with 11.8. Children, you will be doing in your notebook side by side.
Ma'am, done.
Yes, ma'am.
Wait,
Ma'am, may I tell the answer?
I'm done.
wait.
I'm done.
Who is ready with the
21.1
answer?
is the
Please
answer.
raise your hand only, not like this.
21.1.
Who said? I'll mute you people this way. This way I will mute you people. Kashvi, tell the answer.
Ma'am, 21.1 kilometer.
21.1 kilometer. Put your audios off, Bhai Kamal. I'm really, so many times I am repeating this. It is disturbing me. Now, can you all check the distances? Can you all check the distances? Who traveled more? Who traveled? Who traveled more, beta?
Ayub.
Ayub. And you have to subtract. You have to subtract. You have to subtract if you want to find out how much. First, now we will continue. We will subtract 20.2 from 21.1. Okay? Difference. Difference. We have to calculate the difference.
Ma'am, done.
Start doing, keep on doing. 21.1 minus
20.2.
20.2. Let me check. 20.2.
Oh.
Yes. Himnish is here. Himnish, tell the answer. Is Himnish here?
Ma'am, may I tell?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can I? Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am, 1.1.
1.9.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Aryan will tell. Aryan. Himnish is here.
Ma'am, just a second. Ma'am, just a second.
Subtract karo
Ma'am,
beta.
0.9.
Manas, are you Aryan? I think I have to mute you people. You can't control yourself.
Ma'am, the answer will be 1.1.
No, beta. 0.9 kilometer.
0.9.
0.9 kilometer. Okay? Okay? Now you will write. Now you will write the sum up statement, which is very important. Sum up statement is very important. Therefore,
Are you traveled more?
therefore, Ayub traveled
0.09 kilometers.
by 0.9 kilometer. Is there anybody in the class who is having any problem in this part? I'll again show you first from the starting. Now they're saying, I'm again explaining, please listen to me carefully. Dinesh started moving from A, he moved to B. When he moved from A to B, he covered 7.5. Then he moved from B to C. When he moved from B to C, he covered 12.7. And he reached C. How much distance he covered in total? He covered in total 20.2 kilometer. Then comes Ayub. He moved from A to D, then from D to C. When he moved from A to D, he traveled 9.3 kilometer. When he traveled from D to C, he traveled 11.8. So in total, he covered 21.1 kilometer. Now the question was this: who traveled more and by how much? So we found the difference, and the difference came out. 0.9 kilometer. Therefore, our answer comes out. Therefore, Ayub traveled more by 0.9 kilometer. Children, if anybody has any query, please raise your hand. If anybody has any query, raise your hand. Is there any child who has any query, beta? Daksh? Any query?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Anish, any query?
No, ma'am.
Are you able to note down?
Yes, ma'am.
Manthan, were you able to note down, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, put your audios off, children. Otherwise, the class gets disturbed. Class gets disturbed otherwise. Can I move to the next question?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Next
ma'am.
one.
Yes, ma'am.
Shama bought 5 kilogram, 300 apples and 3 kilogram 250 gram mangoes. Sarla bought 4 kilogram 800 gram oranges and 4 kilogram 150 gram bananas. Who bought more fruits? Here also we have to compare. Here also we have to compare Shyama and Sarla. Okay, but because this exercise is based on decimal, I will recommend you will do everything in decimal. I will convert all the weights in kilogram. Exam mein aayega to ma'am mention there. Ma'am will mention there. Convert all the weights in kilogram first. Okay? Am I clear, children?
All of them are in kilogram.
No, they are in kilogram and gram. We have to convert only in kilogram. Not understanding what I am saying. Let me show you.
Like
Shyama,
5 kg 300 grams is 5.3.
Shyama, wait. Shyama and Sarla, I am making 2 columns. You can also do this that way. Sarla. Now, apples. Weight of apples. Weight of apples is 5 kilogram 300 gram. Can anybody convert in kilograms? Somebody will do for me. Convert 5 kilogram.
Can I do? Ma'am, can I do?
Wait. Put your audios off, beta. Chirag will tell. Chirag. Chirag. Kashmi bolo. Kashmi bolo. I have asked you question, Chirag. You were not listening. Convert this weight in kilogram.
Ma'am,
5.3 kg.
5.300 कर देते हैं. 5.300 kg. Now, first, let me do the other weight. Mangoes. Again, I am hearing a lot of disturbance, children. The child who have answered will keep his or her audio off. Yashna wants to tell mango. बताओ बेटा. Tell about mango.
मैम जैसे जब हमने कन्वर्ट किया तो हमें यहाँ पे दिखाना नहीं है, डायरेक्ट लिख देना है ना?
You can write directly now. If you want to show, you can show also.
Ma'am, it's 3.250.
3.250 we write. We say 3.250. Okay. Now total weight. Total weight. We need to show the weight. Addition. 5.300 plus 3.250 kilogram.
Ma'am, may I tell?
No, not you. Not you. I have to teach the whole class. Daksh will tell. What is total weight of Shyama? Total weight of Shyama.
0, ma'am. 8.550 kg.
8.5.
550.
Very good. 8.550 kilogram. 8.55 kilogram. This is the total weight Shyama was carrying. Okay, Shyama bought. Is there anybody who has query in this part? If anybody has, he or she can raise his hand.
No, ma'am.
Otherwise, put your audios off.
no, ma'am.
Audios off. Otherwise, class will get disturbed. Okay, beta. Let's find out for Sarala now. Let's find out for Sarala. Weight of oranges. Weight of oranges. 4 kilogram. 800.
Ma'am, can I tell? Ma'am, can I
Yavi
tell
bolo.
you?
Yavi bolo.
Ma'am, if we convert it in kilogram, it will be 4.800 kilogram.
Very good. Next is weight of bananas. I hope it's clear. I am able to write
Ma'am,
properly.
we have to take out the difference also.
Who bought more fruits? लिखा है. लिखा है by how much? Is it
No, ma'am.
mentioned? Then
Can I tell?
if it would have been mentioned by how much, then you have to find. Banana, somebody will tell. Who?
Ma'am, can I? Jagnoor.
Jagnur bolo. Jagnur bolo.
Ma'am, 4.150 kg.
Yes, Shubh is entering now. He's coming so late. 4.150 kilogram. Very good. Now total weight we will calculate. Total weight. Total weight.
Ma'am, may I tell?
No, Yashna, so let somebody else. Himnish will tell. Himnish.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Shubh is joining now. Let me mark him late. Yes, Himnish, are you not there in the class, beta?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, can I tell the total weight?
Total
Ma'am,
weight
there-
Himnish is telling. Himnish is telling.
8.950.
Wait, let me check. Let me check. Let me check. He's saying 8.950. Very good. It's correct. See, this way, if you do column wise, what I feel, we can compare better. We can compare better. If you do column wise like this, we can compare better. Aryan, you want to
Excuse
say
me, ma'am,
something?
it's 8. Ma'am, it's 8.950.
Yes, 950. Anji. Aryan wanted to say something?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, I was just
Okay.
by mistake.
Okay, the question says, now who bought more fruits? No, they have not asked how much. Simply you have to compare both the weights. Comparison part you have learnt in the last class. Comparison part you have learnt in the last class. 8.50 is kilogram is greater than 8.550 kilogram. So I can say, so Sarla bought more fruits.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, I have done like this.
How you have done? You are showing?
Yes, ma'am.
Let me check how she has done. Let me check. Who is she? Repeat the name.
Ashna.
Yashna. Yashna. Fine. This is fine. This is perfectly fine. If you want, I can show it to the whole class. Show it again.
Yes, ma'am.
Show it again. Children, can you see? Children, can you see?
Yes.
This is also correct. Perfectly fine.
Yes.
Fine.
Okay, ma'am.
Good. Now, let me go for, can I go for the next part, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
How much less
Yes,
is
ma'am.
28 kilometer than 42.6 kilometer? Now, simply you have to here tell you have to find the difference. Simple difference you have to find. You have to subtract 28 kilometer from 42.6. जल्दी से करेंगे बेटा. We have got
Something black come.
हाँ, we have got less time. जल्दी से करेंगे बेटा. We are left with very less time. Difference we will calculate 42.6 and subtract 28 out of it and raise your hand. Faster. 28.0 डाल दो in case you get confused. Somebody has to tell me the answer. Faster, raise your hand. Pranay, bolo.
Ma'am, 14.6.
14.6. Yes, let me check. Yes,
Ma'am, 14.6.
14.
Ma'am, answer is 14.6.
Very good. So we can say 28 kilometer. 28 kilometer is 14.6 kilometer less than 42.6 kilometer. Can we say this?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good.
Yes, ma'am.
Children, please note down. Are you all able to note down?
Yes, ma'am. Done. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, done.
Manthan, were you able to note down, beta? Manthan? Manthan?
Yes, ma'am.
दिख रहा था आपको?
Yes,
ठीक से?
ma'am.
दिख रहा था?
Yes, ma'am.
Wait.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I'm in another room, so I can't read it clearly.
Okay.
Done, ma'am.
I have selected 2 more questions for you. Let's see whether you will be able to do or not. Example 7. The side of an equilateral triangle is 3.5 centimeter. Find its perimeter.
You have to do it in a copy. These two questions.
Yes, definitely in copy. Daksh, how will we go for it? How will we go for it?
The side of an equilateral triangle. Ma'am,
Of triangle is
to
one.
multiply.
We have to multiply.
3.5 into 3.
Who is this? Who answered?
Ma'am, me, Himnesh.
Very good. So perimeter, its perimeter.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
Ma'am, 10.5 answer.
Wait. 3. Why did we multiply by 3? Somebody will tell boldly. Himnish only will tell.
Ma'am, because the sides of an equilateral triangle, ma'am, because triangle has 3 sides.
Very good. Equilateral triangle has all 3 equal sides. Okay. Equilateral triangle has all equal, 3 equal sides. What the answer you got?
10.5.
10.5 centimeter. Any query from anybody? Anybody has any query, beta? Please speak up.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
So hurriedly, I think we can do one more part I have chosen for you. Can I shift? Can I move to the next question?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
The length of a rectangle is 7.1 centimeter and its breadth is 2.5 centimeter. What is the area of the rectangle? Nehal is joined. Can Nehal tell?
Ma'am, can
Nehal tell?
do. Let's go.
First, we remove the distance.
Who is ready to answer for me?
Ma'am,
Name, please. First name. Or raise your hand or speak out your name. Then I will ask. Who want to answer? Who want to answer? Sarthak wants to answer. Pranay is answering. Yes, bolo beta. Pranay.
7.1 into 2.5 centimeter.
Very good. Area of the rectangle is equal to 7.1 into 2.5. First multiply without decimal. Afterwards put the decimal. Somebody will tell me the answer also. We have got less time. Please do for me.
17.75. 17.75.
Are you all getting the same answer, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. 17.75.
17.75. Okay, 17.75. I am not showing the multiplication. I hope my children would have done. I
Yes,
hope my
ma'am.
children would have done.
Yes, ma'am.
You will do the multiplication part. Multiply normally, then we put the decimal because after 2 places, because there is 1 place here, 1 place here. What will be the unit here? Square
Ma'am,
centimeter.
Square centimeter.
Square centimeter. Square centimeter. Note down, children. If you have query, anybody, he or she can ask me any question he or she wants.
I'm done. Done, full done.
Done. Ma'am, I have also done.
If anybody is left out with any part, I can show that part again. If anybody is left out with any part, I can show that part again, beta.
Ma'am, please show the last slide.
This is the last one only. Before this,
Ma'am, yes.
I'll show you. I'll show you. I'll show you. I'll show you. This one.
Yes,
Ashwi,
ma'am.
okay, beta. Likho. The side of the triangle is 3.5. Its perimeter is going to be 3 into 3.5. As Himnish told,
Okay, ma'am.
that equilateral triangle has all three sides equal. So perimeter is going to be 3.5 plus 3.5 plus 3.5. Or we can do 3 into 3.5. If you have done,
Ma'am, yes.
all of you have done, beta. All those children who are in the class right now, have they all done?
I'm done. Yes, ma'am. Done, ma'am. Done.
Today, after today's class, my children are able to do all the operations on decimals, all the operations on fractions. After today's class, my children are able to do, will be able to do all the operations on decimals as well as fractions. Can I change the
ma'am.
view? Can I change the view?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Did you enjoy the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Any query?
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am.
From the whole
No,
chapter? Fractions,
No,
decimals.
ma'am.
So you will promise me that you are going to practice all the sums before the next class. I may not give
Okay,
the
ma'am.
sums, same sums as we have done in the class. I may change little bit, but the questions will the concept is going to be same. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division in fractions as well as in decimals. Okay? In fractions, while adding and subtracting, we have to take LCM. And for division and multiplication, we have to learn the concept of reciprocal. And in case of decimals, we have to simply multiply or we have to simply divide, then take care of decimal points. We have told the rules to you. We have to follow those rules. With following those rules, you'll not make any mistake. Okay, children, next time be prepared for the test. I'll take test from chapter number 2. From my side, the chapter is completely done. You all practice all the examples, all try these, and all the exercise questions. Okay, children?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, goodbye.
Okay,
Take
ma'am.
care.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, take care. God bless.
Bye, ma'am.